I have something for you all. This exercise will have you take your astral hand and put it through a wall. You can also do the same exercise with your head. You can actually put your head through a wall or through a door. Alright? I've only taught this to 2 other people, and they were both able to do it pretty quickly. Alright, and so this video won't be long. It doesn't take much time to explain how to do this. You simply want to take your hand and face a wall. You close your eyes, and your intention here is to move your hand through the very atoms of the wall, and you very slowly make your way towards the wall. Alright? Remembering to feel your hand extending towards the wall, eventually to find itself within it or on the other side. Now what happens is you'll swear blind that your hand is in that wall. Alright? But then all of a sudden your fingertips will actually touch the brick. So what's happening there? Well, I've surmised so far that what's happening is that your astral hand, by way of intention and expectation, is able to leave your physical hand and make its way into the wall before your physical hand makes contact. Yeah, try it out. And if you have some time, shortly after, do the exact same thing but with your head. Take your physical hands, place them on the wall with your eyes open, right? Pick your spot, close your eyes, and then allow your head to go into the wall very slowly. You should feel as if your head is kind of elongating, making its way into the wall, until eventually your forehead touches the wall. Now you'll swear blind, yet again, that your head was inside of the wall. And some of you might have even seen the other side, right? Until eventually you get that head bump. And so, try this out. If you feel as if your head is on the other side of the wall, you're not just in the wall, but you've actually made it to the other side, allow the area behind the wall to show itself to you. Okay? And if you would like to practice this even more, better, you can use a door instead of a wall and see what's on the other side. Alright, try this out. It can lead to astral projection simply because you're practicing the very method of exiting your body. From an external perspective, you're not inwardly imagining yourself walking around, you're actually dealing with physically separating and encountering your environment in that way, which sends a signal to the brain and to the body and your spiritual bodies of what it is that you're actually trying to do, which further loosens you out of your physical body. Alright, so this has been your potential. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and I'll speak to you all pretty soon. Take care. Peace.